Hello traders, and welcome to the summary of my trading for Monday night, the 9th of Feb 2009. Now, as you can see on the screen, we do have a fairly tight trading range, around 5 to 6 points. There was enough volume in the market to get some great signals, certainly not the 300 candles that we experienced last week per session. Tonight we've got around 70. Does it really matter? No. Still got some great signals that we could take advantage of. Mind you, it took a little while to get our first signal, but once we got it, we were off and racing. We actually started the session with a sell signal. You'll note that we were in a buy bias tonight, which means my favor is towards going long as opposed to going short. So if we do get a short signal, then I will use a tighter target of 3 points. Now you can see the first sell signal here did run on to 3 points quite nicely. Did bounce here a little bit. Was because of this first against the trend buy signal, noting that we don't take first against the trends because we know they don't pay. And in fact, for those that are watching my video archive or saving this to your favorites, you'll start to build up a knowledge very quickly of why we don't take first againsts. Ultimately, the first against the trend did not pay. We were reinforced by a continuation sell signal, not only taking us to profit on our first sell signal, but also moving through to its 2 points worth of profit quite nicely. Now, I didn't get anything to take the market back up. Was about a 4-point move. Was I concerned? Absolutely not. We know how important patience is, and in this point in time, we didn't have to be patient very long before we jumped in on a continuation of the uptrend for another 2 points. So again, pessimistic targets tonight of 2 points, but ultimately we've been paid and paid quite nicely. Speaking of another 2-point target, we jumped into a sell signal to take the market back down to the close of my session. I was a little concerned about the pivot being here because they tend to create a fair bit of resistance to a downtrend. As it turns out, we did bash our head on here for a little while. This green did make me a little nervous, but note we didn't get a second green candle. We actually got a doji followed by a red, and we moved through to our profit target quite nicely. So all in all, a good little start to the trading week. We're just up on 9 points at 5% per point, being a 45% return. So 45% return I consider to be a pretty stellar result, even though the market is quite quiet. What does that mean? 10 contracts. If you're trading $10,000 and you got a 45% return, you've made $4,500 US for the night. That's enough from me. A very short start to the week. I will update you from interstate tomorrow night as to how the trading goes. Have a fantastic start to the week, and we will update you daily on the trades. Have a great night, and bye for now.